Hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're at Playa Ocotal in the area of Playa del Coco near the Liberia airport. Playa Ocotal is a very well-known place. Super calm beach you can see here. So today we're going to be doing some snorkeling here in Ocotal. We're going to take this GoPro out and see what we can see out in the water. Now if you're coming to Costa Rica, first of all, be sure to like, follow, subscribe right here at Sights and Sounds. Check out our channel, check out our other videos of the places that we've explored. Give you some insight into what each beach and location is like here in Costa Rica. Now if you're coming to Ocotal, right, you can see the beach is really nice. It's close to Playas del Coco, about 15-minute drive from Coco. The beach is always super calm here. Great for snorkeling, great for swimming. So we're gonna head out in the water, do some snorkeling. If you're coming here and you wanna bring your snorkel gear, definitely do that, because snorkeling is something that's super accessible. We just go out right over here. It's super accessible, super low cost. You can take your own equipment out, and every beach generally has somewhere you can snorkel. At either end of the beach is generally some kind of rocks that the fish hang out in and you can see stuff. So let's head out there and then we'll finish it off with a drone video. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that snorkeling right out here in Playa Ocotal. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you soon here in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.